When people ask me about my major and I say that I'm an applied computing student, there is always a second question that comes after that. So they always ask me, what is applied computing? Let's look at the definition. Applied computing uses aspects of computer science to solve problems in various disciplines. You are more likely to use a range of programming in this field. Let's focus on the word programming. Programming can be super hard. And usually people always think that when I say that I can code, that I'm super smart. But not really. It just has to do with working hard and spending as much time as you can learning it. It is just like any other skill. For example, when you look at a line of code like this one, you don't really know what it means. And honestly, I didn't know either. But let's look at some examples of people that actually have programmed before and what programming really means.
Nowadays, just about everything requires some form of programming. So, what is it? Programming is basically explaining to a computer what you want it to do for you.
When you're programming, you're teaching possibly the stupidest thing in the entire universe, a computer, how to do something.
Programming is one of the only things in the world that you can do where you can sit down and just make something completely new from scratch, whatever you want.
It's really not unlike kind of playing an instrument or something, or playing a sport. It starts out being very intimidating, but you kind of get the hang of it over time.
Coding is something that can be learned, and I know it can be intimidating. A lot of things are intimidating, but what isn't?
A very common question that people ask is if they need a degree in order to be a good programmer. Do you need a CS degree or any computer science degree to be a good programmer? Not really. What's the secret then? Like any other skill, being a good programmer really depends on how much effort and time you put into it. Here are some sources for those who really want to go after programming, and you will see that it's not that hard. You can do it. Now let's look at this story of success.
I've been out of the workforce for 12 years and I had no idea how apps were even developed. Then I took this course from Treehouse, and within 4 months, I had my first app in the App Store. It was really nice to see that, to see kids enjoy playing with the apps and to want to do more. I personally love programming. I feel I'm able to make a tangible product that people can benefit from. You don't have to be straight out of college. You can be from any profession. You just need to have the right attitude and want to do it, but anybody can code. I am no different than you. It's never too late to try something new. I was a single mom, out of work for 12 years. I one day decided to let go of all my fears, and I tried Treehouse. And it was an amazing experience. I was just able to pick it up and develop something. So I would tell people, just let go and let your ambitions, your creativity, your imagination guide you.
Programming is a skill that can be mastered. Everyone can program.